Welcome to the best picks. The best dog grooming scissors is probably one of the most important investments you'll make for your small dog's grooming routine, ensuring a comfortable and safe experience for both of you. Finding the perfect pair means considering factors like blade sharpness, handle design for maneuverability, and the overall quality of materials to guarantee longevity and prevent accidental nicks or cuts on your furry friend's delicate skin, ultimately leading to a stress-free grooming session and a beautifully groomed pup. Number 5. Gimars 6-in-1 Grooming Scissors. These grooming scissors are crafted from high-quality 4CR stainless steel with a ceramic coating. This ensures they stay sharp, rust-free, and easy to clean for a long time. The sharp convex blades make grooming precise and effortless, while the rounded tips keep your pets safe and comfortable. Say goodbye to mats and tangles. Grooming shouldn't be a chore. These ergonomically designed scissors fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during long grooming sessions. This set includes 2 straight shears, thinning shears, curved shears, a grooming comb, and a convenient storage case. Everything you need is right here. We stand behind the quality of our products. Our customer service team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like? This versatile set comes with everything you need for a complete grooming session. Its sharp blades make quick work of mats and tangles, while the ergonomic handle ensures comfortable use, even during long sessions. If you're looking for a comprehensive and comfortable grooming experience, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The comb was also quite useful, as this is sticker season, and those are pretty hard to get out. The scissors are great. They are sharp but have rounded ends to protect my puppy. With this kit, you get a short straight shear, a straight shear, a curved shear, and a fishtail shear. The rounded safety tips are good for those who are afraid of cutting their pup. Number 4. GLADOG 5-in-1 Grooming Kit. This complete grooming kit has everything you need for a professional pet grooming experience at home. It's designed for ease of use, even for beginners. The kit includes a thinning shear, curved scissor, and straight scissor, all 6.5 inches long. These are perfect for all your pet's grooming needs. All scissors feature rounded tips to prevent accidental injury to your pet. You can safely groom even sensitive areas like the face and paws. They're made of high-quality, 4CR titanium-coated stainless steel. This ensures sharpness and durability for a smooth, effortless grooming experience. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, minimizing fatigue during longer grooming sessions. The rubber bumper on the handle prevents accidental pinching. The kit also includes a handy pet comb and cleaning cloth, all neatly stored in a stylish black leather case. Everything you need is right here. What we like? Safety is key, especially when grooming sensitive areas. This set's round tips prevent accidental pokes, and the high-quality steel ensures clean cuts without pulling. The comfortable grip minimizes hand fatigue. If you prioritize safety and comfort, this is the ideal choice for your pet. Number 3. Pet Magasin Grooming Scissors. This set includes 2 pairs of scissors, one for detailed facial grooming and another for larger areas like the body. They're designed for a comfortable and safe grooming experience. Notice the rounded tips. They prevent accidental pokes and scratches, keeping your pet safe and comfortable during grooming. The smaller pair features micro-serrated blades perfect for precise work around delicate areas like the eyes, ears, and paws. These ensure a detailed trim. The larger pair has smooth blades ideal for efficiently trimming your pet's body fur. They make quick work of larger areas. These are designed with you in mind. The soft rubber handles and ergonomic finger rests provide a comfortable and secure grip during use. Grooming your pet has never been easier. These scissors are lightweight, easy to use, and provide a professional finish. Whether your pet has thick or thin fur, these scissors are designed to handle it all. They're efficient and effortless to use. What we like? This set includes 2 sizes of scissors, perfect for both body and facial grooming. The rounded tips ensure safety, while the design makes grooming quick and simple, even for beginners. If you need a simple yet effective solution for all your pet's grooming needs, this is the one for you. What people say. They are amazing. I highly recommend to anyone with a dog that requires any level of grooming. I am at the highest level of need for outstanding dog grooming products, and these are perfection. These scissors are still very sharp after several trims and they still work great. One pair is rounded on the ends to help protect her eyes as I trim. The other pair is great for the longer hair. These scissors are nice and sharp. They easily snip through thick poodle fuzz and fine hair. They are stainless steel and seem to be moderately constructed. Number 2. Chibuy Pet Grooming Scissors. These pet grooming scissors have round tips, so you don't have to worry about accidentally hurting your furry friend. They're especially gentle around sensitive areas like eyes and paws. The comfortable TPR handle and finger rests make these scissors easy to use, even during long grooming sessions. You'll be able to groom your pet comfortably. Made with high-quality stainless steel, these blades are sharp and precise. They cut through thick fur and mats with ease, making grooming a breeze. Whether you're a professional groomer or a pet owner, these scissors are perfect for trimming your pet's hair safely and efficiently. They're an essential tool for any pet owner. The adjustable screw lets you customize the blade tension to suit your pet's hair type. This ensures a smooth and comfortable grooming experience. We're here to help. If you have any questions or issues, our customer service team will respond within 24 hours to provide professional support. What we like? Worried about accidentally hurting your pet? These scissors feature safe, round tips, an ergonomic grip for comfortable use, and sharp blades for precise cuts. If you value safety and precision, this is the perfect choice. Number 1. 7.0 inches titanium black grooming scissors. This set is perfect for all your pet grooming needs. It includes everything you need for a professional finish at home. The blades are evenly polished with a convex arc design for smooth, stable cuts. The thinning scissors are meticulously crafted for precision. Made from high-quality 6CR stainless steel, they're durable and sharp. Each pair undergoes 40 processes of careful polishing and grinding for superior quality. This set includes one straight, one thinning, one up curved, and one down curved scissor, plus a case, cleaning cloth, and adjusting key. Everything you need is right here. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand for comfortable use. Many customers have praised their comfort and ease of use. We're confident in our product's quality, so we offer a 3-month unconditional return policy. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a replacement or refund. What we like? These scissors boast incredibly sharp blades for effortless grooming. The durable steel ensures long-lasting performance, and the comfortable grip makes grooming less tiring. If you need durable, sharp, and comfortable scissors, this is the one for you. What people say. This kit is durable and sharp. The finger holes are smaller. But other than that, it's very user-friendly. There is a key included with this kit that assists tightening and loosening process. Clicking mode on screw, which is great for precise dialing. This provides what I need for head-to-toe grooming my Havanese. They stay sharp longer than more expensive scissors. Maybe I've just been cursed with awful shears, but these are simply amazing. They feel great and natural, and my hand usually got hand cramps. They cut clean and easy, and the L and R curved shears were such a game changer. Doesn't hurt that they obviously look amazing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.